Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. Let's discuss and talk about Atlas Pearls, a really intriguing company on the ASX, one of a kind. I don't know if there's any other pearl companies listed. And right now, the pearl market is going absolutely bananas. In fact, I'll discuss this later in the video by looking at a Chinese article that I did find via Hot Copper. Sometimes Hot Copper can be a good source of information. And I'm finding with Atlas Pearls, it's a wonderful tool to be using because I'm getting a lot of information about this company, a lot of information about pearl industry just by going to Hot Copper. Now, on the 1st of December 2023, Atlas Pearls went into a trading halt in regard to the results of a pearl auction that was held in Japan. Now, all signs were pointing that the results of this auction were going to be stellar for Atlas Pearls, simply because we already know, or we should know, if you've done any research in pearls, that pearl market is just going bananas, crazy. And on the 5th of December, they came out of the trading halt, and you just see the reaction from the market. Share price of Atlas Pearls is up 42%. Now, I'll just refresh this, 36.4%. So a lot of volatility in the share price today. Volume really high, almost 6 million shares traded, which would mean this is the most volume this company has seen, at least in the past year. We'll have a quick look at the chart. ATP, not STP, ATP, and a beautiful looking chart when it comes to Atlas Pearls. Really, the share price broke out, and I am trading this company right now. And the share price broke out on the 31st of August 2023 at around 5 cents. And now the share price is 12.5 cents. We're also seeing really good volume coming in. If I just decrease the size, some really good volume coming in the last few months. And you could possibly say and argue that this company is undervalued. Markup of about 37 million. So after today, would say about $50 million, P ratio of 4.44. But this is a commodity-driven company. So don't be fooled by a price earnings ratio of 4.44, because who knows what's going to happen in the future when it comes to pearls. Maybe this is the top of the pearl cycle. I just don't know. But a beautiful looking chart. And the main reason I took a position is just the breakout on the 31st of August. And I have ridden that breakout until now. Share price has more than doubled, and I'm not sure when I will take profits in this company. So let's go to have a look at the auction results. So let's go into the announcements, auction results and sales update. They have a nice little table in here, and this should be quite clear how they're performing. So nice little table. So what they've got here is first half of financial year 23, second half of financial year 23, the financial year 23, and then the first 5 months of financial year 24. So we can say, just by looking at the last two columns, the first 5 months of financial year 24 is almost equal to the full year financial year 23 in terms of revenue, around about $26 million. But look at pearls sold. 254,000 pearls sold so far this year compared to 583,000 last year. But just look at that average price, $102.69 compared to $45.17 for the full financial year 23. So far in financial year 24, this has been an incredible start to the year. And the question becomes right now, can they continue this moving forward? In this particular auction, the company sold 130,000 loose pearls for a total revenue of $14.81 million. Now, let's have a look at this article that I did find thanks to Hot Copper. Someone actually did give this link. It's in Chinese, so you do have to actually translate it to English. And the title of this particular article, I'll zoom in a little bit. Title of this particular article, Crazy Pearls, Price Increase on January 1st, Farmers Set Out of Stock, Pearl Merchants Earn $5 million per month. It's a really interesting article, and straight away it says pearl prices are going crazy. And that's the truth. Pearl prices are going crazy. And they actually start talking about Australian white pearls, that sort of thing. And as I went through this article, it seems like Australian pearls are the most wanted pearls, the highest quality pearls in the world, possibly, but that's just according to this article. Many pearl industry practitioners said the price of pearls has doubled this year, and they're also talking about almost everyone upstream and downstream of the pearl industry chain has benefited from this rising market, which makes sense. In previous years, autumn and winter were off seasons for the pearl industry, but this winter, the pearl market is still growing in popularity. This year, the price of pearls has increased almost once a month, from freshwater pearls to seawater pearls. The higher the quality, the steeper the price increase. According to Tech Planet, the price of pearls has really gone crazy this year, especially seawater pearls, which price at a monthly rate. Taking the top grade South Sea Australian white among seawater pearls as an example, a pair of high quality 30mm Venus Australian white now costs close to 20,001. And did they say how much it cost previously? In the past, only cost more than 10,000 or so. Different types of pearls have experienced their own price increases. I'm trying to get to the reason why we are seeing an explosion in the pearl market. Eventually, it's going to be, here it is. Okay. So simple economics should say and explain that any increase in a commodity is because of demand or supply. So if pearls are increasing in price, possibly we are seeing a decrease in supply or an increasing demand. Now, this particular article says we are seeing both of those factors. For instance, the price increase is so crazy that it can be said to be directly linked to output, which is sort of the supply. So data shows that Japan's pearl production last year was only 13.2 tons, a 40% decrease from 2018. And later in this, they go down and saying the national freshwater pearl production in 2020 was 1 million kilograms, which dropped to 800,000 kilograms in 2021 and approximately 700,000 kilograms in 2022. So the supply of pearls is actually decreasing, and then we get to demand. So secondly, star effect is also one of the reasons why pearls are so popular and prices are soaring. This one guy said, or lady said, that this year many celebrities are wearing pearls in public. Every time a celebrity wears pearls, it is a large-scale free publicity event. Nene's same threaded pearl necklace was very popular at the time. In addition, purchasing agents and live streaming have also led to the rapid rise of the pearl market. The pearl market, or the booming pearl market, has led to a surge in the monthly turnover of many pearl merchants. So a very interesting article. And it sort of does explain what's happening in the pearl market right now. Doesn't mean this is going to continue for the next few months or even the next few years. Possibly this is the top of the pearl market. I just don't know. But Ballast Pearls is definitely benefiting from this particular booming pearl market, as you can see by the chart. Beautiful looking chart. And as you can see by their auction results. And again, share price right now, as I record this video, at 11 a.m. on the Tuesday, the 5th of December. Share price of Atlas Pearls up 36.4% at 12 cents, which means the market cap of this company only $50 million. And possibly the P/E ratio of this company, if the share price doesn't move much from here, might be as low as, say, 2 or 3. Could be even lower than that. Another reason why people aren't as interested in this company is because management tend to be quite conservative. And they always keep mentioning that any sort of dividend is going to be highly dependent on the market for pearls and how successful they are in the auction. So possibly they could give their shareholders a special dividend. So if you actually have a look at the dividends, I think they did that last year. So 2023, no dividends up until this year, where they did give a dividend of, was it, I forget now what it was, 3.5 cents, which means the dividend yield of this company, 21%. Yes, 21%. And there's a possibility that another special dividend this year could be even higher than 3.5 cents. Anyway, so I'm trading this company at the moment. I'm not sure whether I should take profits sooner or later. I have no idea. Maybe I'll just let the chart lead me to making that decision. If you have any questions about Atlas Pearls, I'd love to hear those. So leave those in the comment section of this video. If you know more about the pearl industry, I'm pretty much a novice at that. Leave your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who's qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.